Pallet wood has gained significant popularity in recent years as a versatile material for furniture and decor making. This trend is not merely a passing fad. It reflects a growing appreciation for sustainability, creativity, and uniqueness in home design. The advantages and benefits of using pallet wood in furniture and decor are numerous, making it an appealing choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional craftsmen alike. One of the most compelling advantages of pallet wood is its sustainability. Pallets are often made from recycled wood, which makes them an eco-friendly option for furniture and decor projects. By repurposing pallets, individuals contribute to reducing waste and promoting environmental responsibility. This recycling process not only helps keep wood out of landfills, but also minimizes the demand for new timber, thereby conserving forests and natural resources. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, the appeal of using sustainable materials like pallet wood continues to grow. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood pallet furniture and decor ideas you can use to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The versatility of pallet wood is another reason for its popularity. It can be used in various applications, from furniture to home decor items. This adaptability allows individuals to explore their creativity and craft a wide range of products, including tables, shelves, planters, wall art, and more. The ability to use pallet wood in different ways encourages experimentation and innovation, making it an exciting material for both novices and experienced craftsmen. This versatility also means that pallet wood can be incorporated into various design styles, from minimalist to eclectic, further expanding its appeal. Moreover, working with pallet wood offers a rewarding DIY experience. Many people find joy in creating their own furniture and decor, and pallet wood is an accessible material that lends itself well to personal projects. The process of transforming pallets into functional and beautiful pieces can be fulfilling and therapeutic. It allows individuals to express their creativity, develop new skills, and take pride in their handiwork. This sense of accomplishment can enhance the overall enjoyment of one's living environment, making it feel more personal and meaningful. The ease of sourcing pallet wood also contributes to its appeal. Many businesses, particularly those involved in shipping and logistics, have an abundance of unused pallets that they're often willing to give away or sell at a low cost. This accessibility makes it easy for individuals to acquire materials for their projects without the hassle of searching for specialized wood types. Additionally, the growing popularity of pallet wood has led to an increase in online resources, tutorials, and communities dedicated to pallet furniture making. This wealth of information makes it easier for newcomers to learn how to work with pallet wood, further encouraging its use. Another advantage of pallet wood is its potential for customization. Unlike mass-produced furniture, pieces made from pallet wood can be tailored to meet individual needs and preferences. Homeowners can choose the size, finish, and design of their furniture, allowing for a personalized touch that reflects their unique style. This customization can lead to a stronger emotional connection to the pieces, as they are often crafted specifically for the individual's space and lifestyle. The ability to create custom pieces can also enhance the functionality of a home, as furniture can be designed to fit specific spaces or serve particular purposes. In addition to its practical advantages, using pallet wood in furniture and decor making can also foster a sense of community. Many people who engage in pallet projects often share their creations online, showcasing their work on social media platforms, blogs, or DIY forums. This sharing of ideas and inspiration can create a sense of camaraderie among enthusiasts, fostering a community of like-minded individuals who appreciate the beauty and functionality of pallet wood. This sense of belonging can enhance the overall experience of working with pallet wood, as individuals can connect with others who share their passion. Furthermore, the trend of using pallet wood in decor aligns with the growing interest in slow living and mindful consumption. In a world dominated by fast fashion and disposable products, the movement towards handmade, sustainable, and meaningful items is gaining momentum. By choosing to work with pallet wood, individuals embrace a more intentional approach to their living spaces, prioritizing quality over quantity. This shift in mindset can lead to a greater appreciation for the items within one's home, fostering a more fulfilling and satisfying lifestyle. Moreover, using pallet wood can provide opportunities for local artisans and craftsmen. As the demand for unique and handcrafted items grows, artisans who specialize in pallet wood furniture and decor can find a niche market. This can lead to the development of small businesses that promote local craftsmanship and creativity. Supporting local artisans contributes to the economy and fosters a sense of community, as individuals invest in handmade pieces that carry a story and reflect the skills of the maker. Additionally, the appeal of pallet wood extends beyond individual projects. It can also influence broader design trends. The rustic and industrial aesthetic associated with pallet wood has become increasingly popular in interior design, influencing the look of cafes, restaurants, and other commercial spaces. This growing trend encourages designers and architects to explore the potential of pallet wood in various applications, showcasing its versatility and adaptability in diverse settings. As pallet wood continues to gain recognition in the design world, it reinforces the idea that sustainable materials can be both beautiful and functional. The use of pallet wood can also serve as an educational tool. Engaging in projects involving pallet wood can provide valuable lessons in craftsmanship, sustainability, and creativity. For children and adults alike, learning to work with pallet wood fosters practical skills such as measuring, cutting, sanding, and finishing. These skills can be applied to other projects in the future, promoting a sense of confidence and empowerment in one's abilities. Moreover, exploring the history and life cycle of pallet wood can spark conversations about sustainability and environmental responsibility, encouraging individuals to think critically about their consumption habits. In summary, the advantages and benefits of using pallet wood in furniture and decor making are extensive. From its sustainability and cost-effectiveness to its rustic charm and versatility, pallet wood offers numerous opportunities for creativity and personalization. The DIY experience, ease of sourcing, and potential for customization all contribute to its growing popularity. Furthermore, the durability and community aspect of working with pallet would enhance the overall experience, fostering connections among enthusiasts. As individuals embrace the trend of using pallet wood, they contribute to a culture of sustainability, creativity, and meaningful living. This shift in mindset not only enriches personal spaces, but also promotes a greater appreciation for the beauty and functionality of handcrafted items. In a world increasingly focused on intentional consumption and mindful living, pallet wood stands out as a remarkable material that embodies these values, offering endless possibilities for those willing to explore its potential. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood pallet furniture and decor ideas you can use to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.